Because of a delivery boo-boo, I wound up with 2 of Star-Kissed Latin Citrus Smart Bowls. So with these, I'm going to make 2 different enhanced bowls. The first one, I already have a bed of chips laying down. For that one, I'm going to quickly mash up some avocado. There we go. I have a little bit of leftover cheddar here that I'll go ahead and use. And then to stay with the citrus, I'm going to add some pineapple salsa to this one. And now to this bowl, I have some leftover corn and black beans from this applewood smoked tuna that I did. Pour some corn in here. And then these black beans. For this I'm adding some sour cream, some leftover cilantro. Mashing up the rest of this avocado for this one. And then we'll go ahead and add some lime. When working with citrus, remember to take it, put it on your counter, and just give it a good roll with some pressure. That gets those juices flowing. So, now for the best part, the topper of the tuna bowls. These are quinoa, bean, tuna, and there's some sweet corn already in the package. That lime is definitely up front. On the extreme back end, there's a little bit of a tingle, but I mean, it's way, way back end, like post-swallow back end. I can see myself doing a whole lot with this pack. And looking at it, you can see that there's some bell pepper in there too. Unfortunately, the ingredients are always way too small for me to read anymore. Now for the important part. Seeing if my plan worked here. The avocado goes really well with that. Everything in that bowl plays so well together. The avocado and sour cream and the lime just add to the awesome flavors of that pack. And then the corn and the black beans just give more texture. That's a dang good bowl. If you want more ideas what to do with these awesome packs, I created a freebie for you with every brand, every flavor, and a bunch of ideas of what you can do with them to get your creative juices flowing with these. For more of this series, check out this playlist. Cook for one, have some fun, and waste none. And I'll see you in the next one.